it's She back today with another video. So today I asked Mackenzie to stay home from camp. Are you happy you didn't have to go to camp today? Here she goes. Are you happy you didn't have to go to camp today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because she's gonna stay home and help me work, guys. Yay, free labor. You happy and excited to help?
Sure.
Anyway, guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we make money selling home decor items on Facebook. So I have a few items that I actually have purchased from the thrift store and from Facebook Marketplace over the last couple days. So I'm going to show you guys how I take amazing photos, and then I'm going to also show you how I upload them on Facebook and offer up. There's certain things you have to say, certain ways the pictures have to look, and that's how I've been able to sell my items for a lot more money and how they go a lot faster. So first what we're gonna do is go to the car. For those of you who are wondering why my nose is red, it's because I had to wear a face mask when I went in the post office earlier and it had some lipstick in it. So I probably should grab my face mask out of the car and wash them all. So recently I saw someone ask if I still had my booth at the antique mall, and I don't. And the reason why is because I was simply making more money from Facebook Marketplace. So while it was fun and cute to have like a space at the antique mall to sell things, I'm able to keep more money in my pocket by simply renting a storage unit for $84 a month. And then I also just meet people at the storage unit during the day, like right in front of the office, so it's pretty safe. So yeah, I was making more money that way. So for me, it didn't make sense to have the $250 a month I was paying in booth rent, and then also 10% commission on all those items. And so when you're selling dressers that are like $200 or $300, that commission really starts to add up and affects your bottom line. So yeah. So guys, also with coronavirus, like even though the antique mall was open, people just weren't going out to shop. So I literally paid $250 the last month I was there and made 0 sales. So sometimes you have to do what's smart and best for business. And I'll be right back with some keys. Really didn't find much this week, nor had I really been out shopping. But this is actually from last week. It's a beautiful mirror. I got this mirror for $8.25. I really love the pattern on it. A lot of people aren't really using red in their home, but I'm sure like somebody older will really like this mirror. For $8.25 is what I paid for it, and I'll throw it on Facebook Marketplace for like $75, and the minimum I'll take for it is $50. So really good profit. I'm just gonna lay this down on the ground. Another thing that sells really well, it doesn't sell for a ton of money, but you're able to kind of make a nice little profit on it, are pillows. Like people will drive to meet you to get cute pillows, and because these are satin and they're shiny and fringy, I'm gonna throw these on Facebook for $50, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get $40 to $45 for them. But aren't they just amazing? These were actually $4 each at the Goodwill. Normally Goodwill's pillows are $2.25, but they have been really taxing lately. And I talked to one of the workers there, and they said that's because they're trying to recuperate from when they were like shut down. But I'm like, that is not our problem. We need our $2.25 pillows. So guys, there's one last thing that I got, but it's gonna need to be painted. I paid only $7.25 for this nightstand, and I'm just gonna throw a coat of paint on it and probably some little flowers and probably sell it for around $80. So I'm not gonna take that out of the car right now because we don't need to take pictures to stage it. So guys, normally what I do is the same day that I buy the items, I take them in the house and get nice pictures and post them for sale. First of all, when you take pictures in a nicely decorated home, it instantly builds more credibility for your business. And if you have a business like me where you sell home decor or you have to take pictures of products, it's nice when your home is already decorated. That way you can allow your home decor to work for you. So what I like to do is I like to just take the items and set them up in my house as if, you know, they are from a home. I like to set them up in a home environment. That way as people are shopping, they can view them in like a home space. So got all these freaking strings on the couch, and it's probably from Oreo's nails. But you see, I set the pillows up on the couch. Guys, the best time to take photos is during the day. Hi, Oreo, say hi. She always has to come and interrupt the video. Say hi. Oh, baby, yes, yes, yes. Okay, you gotta go. So what I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and I always take pictures during the daytime. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do here. So I take my iPhone and I make sure the lighting is right. Daytime, like I said, is the best lighting. You just really want to make sure that the pillows or whatever your item is can be photographed in great lighting, because that is going to make the difference between them selling or not selling, believe it or not. A picture can really make or break the sale. So like, I'm getting ready to show you guys how extreme I am. Like this, I'm actually going to take down because it doesn't match the color of the pillows. So for this picture, I really feel like it needs some of that gold. So I'm actually going to put my gold mirror back up. And yes, guys, it's that serious. This is how I'm able to sell somebody $8 pillows for $50. Because they see it in the environment and they want it. They go, oh my God, that looks good. That will look good in my house. So we want to get a close-up detail. We want to get close-up details. So you want a nice picture that will show that it's kind of fringy. And then we'll even show the back of it. Then also what we want to do, guys, is we want to take measurements of it. Okay, guys, so the best thing to do is to go ahead and list the items as you are posting. So we're going to list it. This is Facebook Marketplace. It's my favorite place to shop for home decor items. And wait, at first what we need to do, guys, is we need to edit the image. So what I like to do is always make the image bright. So you want to brighten it up as much as possible. So I only play with the brilliance and the brightness. So you want it to look extra bright. Then next I'm going to go do the same thing for the other photos. And the settings I'm playing with are just the settings on the iPhone. I'm not using an app or anything. You get to see the item in its best potential. And then playing with the brightness on the iPhone helps a lot too. So this last one I'm not going to edit because you guys see that it's kind of redundant there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to post these close-up shots of the pillows. So we're going to put, you guys can see, satin fringe pillow set. And if we want, we could put something like luxury. Yeah, we'll put luxury. Satin fringe luxury pillow set. The price we're going to put on it is $100 initially. I'm so sorry if you guys can't see. $100. Category is throw pillows. Condition, we're going to put like new. Material, we're going to put satin. Color, green. So you really want to give people as many descriptive options as possible. Pattern, we're just going to put fringe. Decor style, I would say is glam. So we're going to put glam. For the description, guys, this is where you need to get really creative because you want to excite a person to purchase these home decor items from you. You really want to entice them. You really want the description to be irresistible. So if you suck at coming up with descriptions, then I highly suggest you go onto Google. And on Google, what you need to do is type in like satin fringe pillows. Oreo, stop. So we're going to type in satin fringe pillows. So on Macy's, it says, this is the green pillow that I found. And their description says, a luxurious and decorative shaggy pillow that will complement any room and decor theme. And see, this is exactly what we want. Something that sounds pretty and elegant and sounds like they should pay $50. So I just copied and pasted that. Then I'll say would look beautiful. So we always want to describe where they could use the item. So would look beautiful on your sofa or even on your bed to add some drama. And then now what we want to do is put the dimensions. So that's why I have this measuring tape, and this is like a cheap broke one from the Dollar Tree, but it still works. So these pillows are, let's see, normally I can kind of eyeball it. These are 14-inch, so we're gonna put 14 inches, dimensions 14 inches. For product tags, we're gonna put throw pillows. It's very important that you join groups on Facebook. So these are all my like yard sale groups on Facebook, and I just go through and I post them to every single one. So guys, it's really that easy. That is my process for posting thrifted items on Facebook Marketplace. It may seem like a lot of work, but it's really not. It's a great, easy, fun way to make a living income, or also to make extra income. Say you're working full-time and you're trying to save for a vacation, why not spend some time going to the thrift stores in the evenings or on the weekends and picking up some fabulous items like this and making some quick change. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's inspired you to start your own home decor flipping business, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.